OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to create local backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings, then scroll down from the list of settings and choose additional settings. Here you need to scroll down one more time and choose backup and reset. Select here local backup, and you can backup the important data, settings and application in your phone by using create new backup. You may backup personal data, system data and application. Let me choose all of them and tap start backup. So here we've got the backup process. As you can see here, we've got the progress bar. Let's tap done and just create the backup into the phone storage. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.